Hey YouTubers, I got that grill comparison video here. Now this has been on here probably about 5-6 minutes more maybe. I would have started a video a little sooner from start, but I'm trying to keep it short so you guys can kind of see, and I don't have a bunch of video editing equipment and stuff like that. So this is, we got some green peppers and onions here, 3 patties, some these are bratwursts with pepper and onion in them, and you can see the difference between them. This grill is pre-seasoned. This is the Camp Chef I'm on. And sorry about the noise. Any background noise you guys hear, that's just everybody enjoying the nice day. But this grill seems to run a little hotter even on low. And I did notice it sticking. You can kind of see that there. Once I turned it, made sure it was definitely on low. It does a good job. It just takes a while to, heat up at first. But once you get it going, it's got a good heat source. But I think that the controls, this one's a little finer adjustment, whereas this one's low, would be more like medium over here. So, but anyways, this is pretty much the video. You can see these burgers on the BlackStone. These were all the way down on low. Kind of a lower and slower, more finer adjustment. Depends on how you like your burgers and stuff like that, but you can see where these settings are at. So they're just a little bit, I might have to turn it up just a little bit on them, make sure they're all about the same. But, and you can see we're on low right there. There's a close-up of them. So after seasoning this grill really good, and like I said, I've only used these a handful of times, this one here, and after I re-seasoned everything on that, it does a really good job. I mean, it's really up to you guys what decision you would make on which grill you'd get. I personally like them both. If I was in the store to buy one straight off the shelf, it'd be a toss-up. I think the BlackStone could improve some stuff, where the Camp Chef has made some really good improvements in that. And real quick, I want to mention that those legs do adjust. So I forgot to mention that in my last video. And that's about it. So if you got any comments or questions, do let me know. I appreciate you guys like, subscribe, and share. It does help out the channel. The channel's growing quite a bit here lately, and that's good for you guys because I'm making more and more content and trying to get stuff out. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't work hard. Bye.